Welcome back. If episode 1 was about the front door being kicked in, episode 2 is about the ghost in the machine. Today, April 22nd, 2026, we are tracking a shift from hackers who use tools to tools that use themselves. The headline making everyone in DC and Silicon Valley sweat right now is the investigation into Anthropic's Mythos tool. Mythos was designed to be a pinnacle of AI productivity, an agentic system that can navigate complex networks to help engineers, but researchers are sounding the alarm. In the wrong hands, Mythos has shown it can autonomously execute full network takeovers in a matter of hours. This isn't a script kiddie running a scan. This is an AI that understands network architecture better than your senior admins do. While we're watching the front door of AI, the back door just got ripped off its hinges. CISA and global security agencies just issued a red alert for Axios, one of the most popular JavaScript libraries on the planet. This was a surgical strike. Attackers used a long-lived access token to bypass GitHub Actions and push a backdoored version of the library directly into the supply chain. If your developers are pulling down code updates today without verifying signatures, you are essentially inviting a Trojan horse into your production environment. This is the Axios NPM attack, and it proves that the software supply chain is the single greatest point of failure in 2026. You can have the best firewall in the world, but if your internal libraries are compromised, the zero trust perimeter is already inside your servers. We're also seeing the data to back up this chaos. There has been an 89% increase in attacks from AI-powered threat actors this year alone. They're using what we're calling evil AI, malware, that masquerades as legitimate AI productivity tools. These bots don't sleep. They don't make human mistakes. They scan for the 481 vulnerabilities Oracle just patched today and exploit them before you even finish reading the release notes. Over 300 of those Oracle flaws are remotely exploitable without authentication. Think about that. A bot can find a hole in your database, crawl through it, and exfiltrate your data while you're still pouring your first cup of coffee. Here's the reality. You cannot fight an AI-powered adversary with a human-powered defense. It's a math problem. You will always lose. If you want to survive the Mythos era, or the next Axios-style supply chain hit, you have to adopt an agentic shield. This is where Mammoth Cyber comes in. By using browser isolation and moving your security controls to the data layer, you stop worrying about whether a library is backdoored or an AI is mythical. You simply don't trust the execution environment. You isolate the agent, you verify the intent, and you encrypt the result. I'm Chase. Stop playing catch up with the hackers and start out thinking the machines. We'll see you in the next segment. Stay secure.